Have you ever connected with someone online and convinced yourself it was halal? You weren't doing anything wrong, just exchanging words, just finding comfort. But somehow, slowly, you started drifting away from Allah. This one is for the hearts torn between love and Nerdeen. Stay with me till the end. It started one quiet morning. Omar was scrolling after Fajr. No bad intentions in mind. He was just exhausted, curious, maybe even a little lonely. That's when his thumb paused on a short reminder. Don't lose Allah while chasing someone who might eventually walk away. It was shared by a sister named Amina. Her page was a soft corner of the internet filled with quotes, hadiths, and gentle reminders that almost seemed like they were written just for him. He hit follow. As days passed, he found himself liking more of her posts, reacting to her stories. To his surprise, she replied, what started as simple messages slowly turned into voice notes, then long, deep conversations that stretched into the night. No flirting, no inappropriate talk. Just raw, honest conversations about life, about Iman, about the struggles they both faced. Amina had this quiet wisdom about her like she had lived 100 lives. To Omar, she reignited something he thought he'd lost his love for the deen. Or at least, that's what he believed. Then one night, she sent a message that lingered with him. It's beautiful how Allah sends certain people at just the right time. He read it over. Then again, was this meant to be? Was she his person? But as the days continued, he noticed a slow fade, prayers missed, tahajjud forgotten, the Quran untouched. Even at work, he'd sneak a glance at his phone every few minutes, waiting for her reply. He told himself, this isn't a relationship. We're keeping each other close to Allah, but deep down, he knew. His heart was no longer in sujud. It was trapped in a notification bubble. One evening, after skipping Maghrib just to reply to her message, he sat on his bed, phone in hand, prayer mat untouched. His chest felt heavier than usual. That's when his younger sister knocked gently. Guy, it's been days since we saw you at the Quran. Are you okay? He forced a smile. I'm just tired. But her words cut deep. They broke something inside him. That night, he finally sat on the prayer mat. The tears came before any words did. Yeah, Allah, I never meant to replace you. I just got lost. His phone buzzed. It was her. He didn't open the message. Instead, he typed, Amina, you're truly an incredible person. But I've lost too much of myself. I need to step back. I need to find my way back to Allah. Her reply came hours later. I understand. I'll miss our talks. Omar didn't respond. Not because he didn't care, but because he finally understood sometimes the wrong connection can cost you the right one. Days passed. Silence followed, then came the ache, the loneliness. But slowly, with every salah he returned to, with every ayah he recited, his heart began to soften again. And then one morning, while reciting the Quran, his eyes landed on a verse that felt like it was waiting just for him. Indeed, in the remembrance of Allah, do hearts find rest. Quran 13:28, and this time, surely felt it. If you've ever loved someone so deeply that it took you away from your creator, or if you've had to let go of something that felt right just to protect your Iman, drop a heart in the comments. Let's heal together and remember Allah replaces every loss with something better. Thank you for watching. May Allah protect your heart and guide you back every time you slip.